Hi, this is Mike Ansay, and today we're interviewing Terry Fischer and Sandy Fischer from the Esch agency in Mount Horeb. And one of the great things I like about was our conversation about the Dodgeville basketball team.
Right.
I was a young man, 1964, I think it was, that they won the state championship.
With Winnie Wilson.
Yep.
Wilson.
Yeah,
Right.
I remember that because that was unheard of. They were a small school.
Right.
So that was kind of exciting for me personally. So I'm a little older, so I remember things that people only relate to what I'm talking
And they
about.
still talk about it.
Yeah, it is. It was a huge thing.
Yeah.
And there was the Monroe Cheesemakers too. I think they were a competitive team. back
Very,
then.
very much so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyways, we're here today. I was just going to ask a little bit about your family history and your family agency, and just from your perspective, just the whole history of your business and your father, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you want to talk about the family history?
Sure. Esch Insurance started in 1954. My dad started it primarily in the life and health area, but then got his P&C license, and so we've been going strong for over 65 years. Now more specialized in the commercial and personal lines, but still do life insurance and farm, and so that's primarily where
It
we
evolved, right?
focus.
Your father started one year and
Exactly.
evolved. Because
Yes.
the market was there, right? He served the market.
Correct.
Small
Right
town.
out of our basement at our house. And so now we have two locations, Dodgeville and Mount Horeb.
Yeah, and the involvement was that, were you in the insurance, or were you both in it? How did that
No,
all evolve?
I think I drew the short straw. No, I heard Sandy's dad, Joe, talk to me a little bit about, hey, give it a try. Come see what the agency. I was doing some life insurance sales in Madison, and so I at first put it off, like, no, I don't want to go work for family.
Yeah.
I did go check it out. It was great, good fit. Sandy's, Joe and I, we worked very well together. And obviously it was a great choice because this is my 32nd year.
Yeah, well, it has a lot to do with core values, mutual respect, right?
Absolutely.
Respect
Absolutely.
is the engine, and then trust, right?
Right.
Building trust, and
Right.
with your employees and everything you have in your customer base, that's one of your strengths, isn't it?
Correct.
Yes.
So as you came to the point in your life and career you wanted to perpetuate, I'm sure you had many considerations. A lot of the people that we're talking to. Why did you choose Ansay? What was the reason why it made sense for you to partner and merge with Ansay?
I would say there were three main reasons why we chose Ansay. One, the family tradition and to carry on the legacy of Esch Insurance. Ansay's core values and culture fit ours perfectly, and that was something that was really important to us. The other thing was for our team to be able to have access to the resources that Ansay can provide that we can on our own. So teaming up together, I think, is really important to have all of that available for everyone. And third is our clients. It was a really good fit. We knew that our clients would be well taken care of in the future, and that was one of the most important things to us.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I was going to piggyback on that a little bit as far as just being part of this for the short time that we have. Hearing you speak about your dad, that's very important to you, and that was very important to us. So that solidifies our decision. It makes it, we did the right thing, and just hearing that and how that's so important to you and Ansay, and it's good for us.
Well, when you work with people your whole life, like you did with your father, you build a trust that you can't. It's passion and love and concern, right? And it's the same thing I have. So in your life, like in my life, you were family. Everything was family. You did the things for the people. It was never about self-interest. It was always about helping somebody.
Absolutely.
And our core philosophy is give to get, right? So that relates to what you guys did. You help your community do the right stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, thank you for considering us and merging with us. And one of the things we recognize this year is our 80th year in business. And we call it Legacy Forward. So you heard my father speak.
Right.
We were able to get through my dad. And he spoke to us. And the thing that was resounding in his voice was his commitment to his family. that's really what Ansay is about. So generationally, we have the next generation in the business with us. We have 277 family members in our organization. And to your point, the resources that we have and we continue to do is really to build careers.
Right.
We're not a financial modeling company. We're a family-owned business that is patient capital long-term, no different than what you do. So I just want to thank you for that opportunity, and we look forward to the partnership and continue supporting your vision with our vision and make it a great situation for both. So
Thank
with,
you.
Yeah,
with that,
thank you.
remember, it's always a great day to sell insurance. Thank you.